picked up July 2021. This building actually has two addresses, Valkeakoski 2 to 6, this is the C, but also Kenraalintie 1 here in Valkeakoski, Finland. This was also built in 1964, turned 55 years old in 2019. The serial number is VS509. It's going to be inspected this year, 2021. The capacity is 3.4 grams, and now let's try it. This is probably 1964 because in the basement where they have the early type of doors that were in 1950s, 60s buildings of Valmet also. So yeah, that's why it's early 1964.
Yeah.
This one has 5 floors, but the staircases A and B have 7 floors because they have a basement and a 5th floor also.
Yeah.
That's why staircases A and B are more amazing here.
Yeah.
But this is also amazing. All of them are.
Yeah. And this asunto-osakeyhtiö Paiminportti.
Yes, and also 1964 is a bit rare.
Yeah.
As a year for some reason here in Finland. We don't have so many from 1964.
Inspekterat meitä nyt autossa gratis.
Because we have it from the year 1963 a lot more.
Yeah.
Really a lot. The 64 not so much.
Yeah.
Weird. Then 65 is more than 64 also.
Yeah.
The 63 really a lot.
Yeah.
I haven't like noticed this.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird. But also of course 61, 62 we have quite a lot.
Yeah.
At least the biggest cities. So that's it. And thank you very much for watching. Please also watch the staircases A and B.
That's